Paddle, 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 paddle. Nice. Perfect.
What is this view, people? So we just did the Thompson. And it begins. Here we go, guys. Not even 5 minutes in. We're at our third hurdle.
Damn you, alders! Yeah! All right. Ready?
Woo!
And you're gonna have to do exactly what I did to get here.
Okay, but you won't be able to hold it.
Yeah. Another great angle for the viewers at home. Most commonly known as Pierre's ass.
The most beautiful thing after the sun or the moon. She's a hot one. Hope you learned something on that. You crawl. Always. Marty jumped. But he was so eager, I couldn't show it to you guys. So you're gonna hear two things a lot in the video, and I want you guys to understand what's going on. Marty in the back will probably scream at me, draw or cross draw a lot. And it's a paddle technique when we're gonna be in the white water and in the rapids. So pretty much it's the tip, the front of the canoe, left or right, to be able to maneuver much more quickly. So paddle side, if I'm paddling like this and he says draw, you'll see me poke the water and push in front of me. And if he says cross draw, I'll go on the other side completely and turn the canoe on the other side. So river's left, river's right, which means we go with the current of the river. So if the second boat sees a better path for us and he screams, go river's right, we understand, everyone understands, doesn't matter which way you look, you go with the current left and right. So that way you won't be all, what the heck is going on and why is the guy in the back screaming at Pierre? He's doing so because he loves me and he wants to stay dry. I did had a little bit of spare time, so I did a sculpture, a wood sculpture. So I'd like to show you my masterpiece. I intend to take full credit for it, but it's not for sale. It's amazing. Look at that thing.
Still pretty cool. Look at that thing.
There's not only beaver dams to discover. Wow, beautiful.
There, did we make it?
This was actually easier than I expected.
Right?
But we gotta share this.
How does it look out there?
Gotta share this with you guys. Wow,
Look at that.
wow.
Oh. Hi guys.
What is this view, people? Wowee! Shoo. That's just sent a little message at home to say that we are at camp. Now we're gonna set up the bug shelter with a view. So bug shelter, the view, and we're gonna go and take a little dip and make dinner. Can't wait to show you what is there for dinner. It's gonna be great. All right, guys. Okay, I said it too many times. Let's cook a real meal. First thing first, got the stove out. Get all your ingredients out. Oil, salt and pepper, the fish. We're gonna cook the fish and you're gonna see the result of the fish taco. It's gonna be amazing. It's the Outdoors Therapy Pierre Chef. So you take all your jalapeno, chop them small, put them in a bowl. Now, I didn't want to cry in front of you guys, so I pre-chopped some onions, some coriander. I'm gonna put everyone together in a massive bowl. One avocado. It's a tough palm, but we got a good knife. You never, is it me, or you never get, you know, a perfect avocado the day you go at the grocery store? It doesn't happen. Tricks is you make like a tic-tac-toe little field in your avocado. It's gonna be making small bites like so. Spoon, you take those out, see how beautifully they come out. There you go.
Very easy.
It was really easy. Hard start. Really easy. Okay. Next step. Get your oil. Warm up your pan. Here's how you could do it. Throw in the fish. Now you want to break the fish too. You break your fish in pieces, put it with the mix. Secret ingredients. Lemon juice.
Belvedere?
Go crazy with that stuff. Just,
like 26.
you know, just go crazy. Go nuts. Don't stop.
Oh, that's just a lookout. A Belvedere is a lookout.
Tell me this does not look freaking delicious. Look at that, baby. So good. Julian was super generous. Brought some wine to go with the fish taco. I'm happy. The boys seem to like it. They want third. Overall, it's not bad. I mean, waterfall right there with the view. Bug shelter. Good company, great food. Back in the game. Doesn't it feel good to be back in the game? Man. Yes, it does. Long year. Long year. Feels amazing. I don't want to make videos in my house. That's not the point. But when you do what you got to do. But this is it. This is it. I'm so stoked. Got this guy, German beer. Let's try it out. It's a gift from Julian, the Colombian scout. Let's try this guy. Smooth. Very smooth. Thank you, sir. I like that. It's perfect for right now. And it's raining, baby. It's raining. I so hope you heard that. Marty is just like F word because all of his clothes are outside on the ridge line.
Are you vlogging this?
Yeah, I am vlogging this.
Son of a bitch.
It's good. I love it. Well, we're gonna have to deal with wet socks anyway tomorrow, so see you with the coffee. It's a good coffee, breakfast of champion. You can go see, you wanna know what's my breakfast of champion? You go in the description and you click on the link there. You'll see the video of Breakfast of Champion. We are here at kilometer 52, and our goal is to go, and we can't even see it here anymore, kilometer 24, and this is 36 at the end, but there's a load of rapids.
Alright, when I come out.
Oh, that's ballsy.
That's balls.
Yeah.
So we're going balls deep.
I'm short. Can I say?
There we go. Be easier to push.
I'm using the canoe as a platform. Okay, wait a sec. This is slippery as fuck. So we're going through the.
And then you have to look down there, but it's really simple. Straight ahead there. Straight. Right on that white.
Yeah.
Got it. Nice. Well done. Okay, now see that rock there on the left? We're gonna kiss it, river left. There we go. You got it.
Okay, kissing it.
All right, now that we're at the point, so
Yep.
we have to find the other rock. We can't see it right now, but here we go. Yeah, we got it. So we go to the right of that.
Yeah, and then kiss it.
There you go. You got it. Excellent. Paddle, 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 paddle. Nice. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah,
there we go.
sure.
Now we're just going to go straight here. We're going to go Eddie out on the right. Eddie River right.
So we just did the Thompson right there, and our next one is over here. EV means in French OV, which means a swift. So there's a swift, an R1, that could be an R2 depending on water levels. It's a pretty long one, as you can see with all the fine lines. And then we got another R1, an R2, more swift, and then all of those. That's gonna be pretty slick.
Okay.
Then what's going on there? We're so, how good of a friend, we're such great friends, you know, filming the guy instead of helping him out.
Well, I guess I could have grabbed my other paddle, but I didn't think. I just wanted to get the picture of the stupid eagle.
Did you lose your phone along the way?
No, I got it wet, but I think it's waterproof.
Hopefully. Hold on to it so you come here.
Yeah.
You'll be able to stand right here.
I think that's gonna be the beginning of my video.
I dump fucking but it was refreshing.
It must have been. Must have been.
Just follow that current.
Going in. Okay. Raw. That's the pad. Okay. Sit up. Sit up. Good. Cross raw. Cross raw. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. There you go. Nice. Excellent. Just follow that beat right there.
Yep.
The center to the left. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Draw a bit. Draw. 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 Sit up. Nice. There we go. Easy peasy.
Shit.
Yeah, lean left when we do that. That's fine. Nice. Got it. Perfect.
When are you there? There's no sight there. Unless it's on top. This is Julian, the Colombian scout. But I think we should rename Julian the diver. Sandwich artist. And the final. This pal. The luxury of a cold beer. Just finished lunch. We packed pretty much everything. Now we stop at KM 36, and our goal is to reach KM 24 today, so to do the full 30k, and we did 16k in 4 hours, which is pretty good. We gained 2 hours on our initial route, but we're planning to be at camp for 7, which is awesome, which is exactly what we wanted. So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 7 rapids to do.
I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna chill.
It's dinner time. Look at this chicken pasta with mushrooms and broccoli. No joke, guys. Julian cooked a dinner for us tonight. It took a long time because there was a lot of stuff to prep. But now it's finally time to rejoice and eat.
You like spicy?
Yes, the broccoli. All the difference in the world. You know,
What's rule number 2? Rule number 2, basic rule number 2, as I always say, is enjoy your food. With a little bit of red wine. Cheers, guys. I so hope you're eating at the same time. It matters. Sharing a meal, it matters.
Guys, we're leaving our beloved beach in like a minute. Marty's just sending one last message to his wife. Just radioed Julian, who left before us. His answer was, it's okay, take your time. I need energy, therefore he's eating again. It's almost lunch, it's almost lunchtime, so I'm not surprised there. Let's see if we can do a speed run today and nail 30K in 6.5 hours. The bets are on. Day 3. Do you believe we can do it? Tell me in the comment section, do you guys believe we nailed it? The answer later in the video, I promise you. We entered a section of the river that brings a beach to almost every turn. For those wondering, we did 15K in about 2.5 hours. Consistency is the key. So, guess what? Still raining, baby. Still raining. And we're still smiling. This is gonna be home for real, guys. Look at that site. Huge flat plateau right there. Same over here. Everything is flat. Oh wow, Marty. Marty just said, guess what? It's not raining anymore. So true. Best one so far, loving it. This is massive. So, for those who have followed the bet, we actually did 32K in 6 hours and 43 minutes with a 40-minute lunch break in there. So not bad. Not bad at all, eh? Quite happy with that. So what do you do when you're on a massive beach and you want to do a clothesline? Well, Marty and Julian had a suggestion. So I'm going to show you what they plan.
When I say that I want it that way, tell me why he ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why he ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why.
Look at that. This is happening, folks. This is happening. Going in. Diving deep. You know, when you need a bushcraft knife to get to your steak, to be able to chop it because it's freaking 2 inches thick, I want to get it out. It's juicy, baby. Okay. Okay. Diving in, people. Diving in. Even better than last time, bro. Life is good in the wood.